Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today's reading is for Cancer from 1st to 15th of May. I have taken out cards. These are the 3 cards representing obstacle, guidance and outcome. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So this is a general reading and please see how it resonates. Okay, so let's see what are the obstacles you might be facing in 1st to 15th of May. Okay, so here you need to see if you are too much in your comfort zone. Okay, if that is the case, then you definitely need to come out of your comfort zone, and that's how you will see growth. Because when we are too much comfortable, basically the growth stops, right? So you need to focus on your area. It can be in your relation, it can be in your career. Okay, if it is stopping you from growing forward in your life, then you definitely need to make some changes. Okay, and try to figure out the best ways of achieving what you are planning to. Okay, you need to have a proper plan, and also of course coming out of comfort zone is not easy, so you need to practice some mindfulness, practice some exercise like which can help you to have mental peace, because the new things will come with the challenges. Okay, so to practice that mindfulness, to practice that mind peaceful peace, mental peace, basically you can focus on some meditation. Okay, but definitely you will see growth if you come out of your comfort zone. That is the obstacle I see. Let's see what is the guidance for you here. So okay, so the guidance here is the same thing, right? Once you have come out of your comfort zone, you need to see different ways of achieving what you have, because you have the resource. You can do whatever you are planning for. You have the divine support also, but you need to have a proper plan, proper strategy before you take an action. At the same time, you have to keep in mind that you do not share your plans and ideas and strategies with everyone. Okay, because you never know what kind of energy the person may be having for you, right? So just try to keep as much as possible to yourself and do not disclose your plans and ideas to others. Let's see what is the outcome for you, Cancer. Okay, so the outcome may be, you might be feeling like you are tired. You have already put in so much of your efforts. You have already given your best, and you have tried everything, but the things are not working, and you are not getting the reward for the efforts you have put in. Okay, so you might be feeling tired, but you have to keep in mind that you do not have to give up. Okay, so because see, it's number 9. After 9 we see a 10, which is a completion, right? So you do not have to give up. You need to keep in mind that it's like never lose hope, right? Because the growth comes, sometimes you need to put more efforts and sometimes it's a sudden thing, right? So it all depends, but you do not have to give up, and you will definitely get the reward for what you have worked on. Okay, this was a general reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights, and also if you want a detailed reading for the next 15 days of the month of May and the coming months ahead, please do let me know in the comments, and I will make the detailed reading going forward. Thank you. Bye bye.